Hi guys, it's Sia and welcome back to my channel. This week's video will be slightly different. I'll be showing you healthy things to do when you are bored. As most of you should know, I post fitness videos, so I like to keep myself fit and healthy. And so that's why today I'll be posting this video how you can be productive while being healthy. So let's get into this video. My first idea is to go for a walk or run. Going for a walk and run is great because it lightens your mood and also strengthens your bones. My second idea is to do some exercise. If you don't know what exercise to do, don't worry because I have some workouts on my channel. The third idea I have for you may not seem very fun, but it's really important to keep hydrated throughout the day. So all you have to do is cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the lemon juice. Then add some water and stir it together. Adding the lemon is a real bonus because it helps your immune system. My fourth idea is to read a book. We do have to admit that nowadays we do spend a lot of time on electronic devices, so it's important to sit down, relax and read a book. My fifth idea is to make a healthy snack. This is my recipe on how to make it. You will need an apple, 3 teaspoons of peanut butter and some crushed nuts. Start off by slicing the apple. Now cut up some squares in the middle of the apple slices so that the seeds come out. Now spread about a teaspoon of peanut butter on each apple slice. Now it's time to add the nuts. If you're wondering what type of nuts I'm using almonds. And that's your snack finished, easy peasy. My sixth idea is to do some arts and crafts. And that's all of my ideas to help you boredom. If you would like to watch another video of mine, click here. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, click here. Bye! See you soon!